welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be talking on a very much serious and important topic. So I would directly come to the point that 11th August is the last determining day that whether we want our surrounding, our land, our home, um, the beautiful environment that we have, or we don't want it. So I am talking about EIA draft 2020, that is Environmental Impact Assessment draft 2020. Many of you might be hearing about this for the first time, even after it being the major issue that we are facing right now or we will be facing in the future. So what is EIA? EIA stands for Environmental Impact Assessment, and it is a process of study through which a committee is set, and they study the pros and cons of having a particular project, whether it be nuclear power plant or hydroelectric power plants, or even a basic national highway or metro stations, or any project basically. So they study the pros and cons, and if there are negative points or negative impact of these projects into the environment that affect directly to the environment, to how they study basically how many trees are going to be cut down, how many people are going to be relocated, and whether the habitat, whether the natural habitat, whether the animals over there are going to be affected, and then only they give the certification for any project or any factory, industry, infrastructure, real estate project. EIA comes under Environmental Protection Act 1986. So all of us know about the Bhopal gas tragedy where thousands of lives were affected, and after this tragedy the government realized that they really need a Environmental Protection Act so that the lives of the people, the environment can be protected. So in 1986 they came up with this Environmental Protection Act, and in 1994 EIA was added to the law. So according to the new draft, that is EIA 2020 draft, the first major change that they have brought is post facto clearance. So what is this post facto clearance? Post facto clearance is basically before starting any project, even if it pollutes your environment completely, it does not require any clearance certificate before starting the project. So they can obtain the clearance certificate afterwards, like anytime afterwards. So you guys will understand the scary face of this new draft if you remember the Vishakhapatnam gas leak incident where some people died and lots of people were injured. So that company didn't have a clearance certificate, and according to this new draft they are not at fault. So we have another frightening issue before us, that is, even if there is exploitation going around you, you are no one to speak about it. You have to keep your mouth shut. You have to keep your mouth shut, and basically there is no one, like there is no law that you can protest against these exploitation. So basically मेरे को क्या लगता है कि आर्य कॉलोनी के लिए कैसे लोग इकट्ठे हो गए थे and they protested strongly against cutting down आर्य कॉलोनी because that is the only place where you can see greenery in Mumbai. Now according to this draft, if this draft is going to be accepted, then हमारे हाथ बांधे गए हैं और हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. We have to keep quiet and let them do whatever they are doing. तो इस चीज़ के अगेंस्ट आवाज़ कौन उठा सकता है? तो बेसिकली ओनली द गवर्नमेंट ऑथोरिटीज़ और द पर्सन हु हैज स्टार्टेड दिस प्रोजेक्ट कैन गो एंड से दैट मैंने गलती की, मेरे वजह से एनवायरनमेंट में इतना प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, तो मुझे अरेस्ट कर लो. Other thing that comes under this draft is that a working company can increase their production by 50%, and they don't require any clearance for that, even if they are polluting the natural resources or natural habitat or anything. They don't require any clearance certificate. And there is this new category that is being introduced, that is B2 category. So under nearly 40 companies under B2 category can start their production without any clearance certificate. So do you remember the massive fire in Assam that took place and more than 13,000 families were relocated? So that company comes under B2 category. So right now for any project that is plus 20,000 square meter requires a clearance certificate, but according to this new draft, a project which requires clearance certificate comes under plus 1,50,000 square meter, then clearance certificate लगता है. There was an option called public hearing. तो basically अगर आप एक location ले रहे हो and you are trying to clear people from that location, मतलब अगर एक जंगल एरिया है उसको आप कट डाउन कर रहे हो और उधर के लोगों को आप रीलोकेशन देने वाले हो, सो दे टेक 30 डेज का पब्लिक हियरिंग होता है जहाँ पे वो कंपनी वालों का जो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है वो आप सुनते हो, आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू जो है वो पब्लिक मतलब वो कंपनी वाले सुनते हैं. सो बेसिकली दिस इज लाइक गैदरिंग एंड पब्लिक हियरिंग होता है. अगर पब्लिक का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है एंड दे आर टोटली अगेंस्ट इट, देन वो प्रोजेक्ट वहाँ पे नहीं आता है. बट नाउ दिस पब्लिक हियरिंग टाइम जो है वो कट शॉर्ट किया है. पहले 30 डेज होता था, अब वो 20 डेज किया गया है. एंड पहले इन पर्सन होता था एंड नाउ दे हैव गिवन द परमिशन फॉर वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसेस. अब आप बताओ कि अगर जंगल के अंदर रहने वाले लोग, मतलब आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट आदिवासी पीपल, दे माइट नॉट नो अबाउट ऑल दीज एप्लीकेशंस एंड ऑल दीज टेक्नोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम. सो गाइज, this is a serious issue according to me, which will affect you, me, everyone equally. So I would like to request all you guys to just send a mail. मतलब आप ड्राफ्ट को गो थ्रू करो, देन इफ़ यू फील कि कुछ पॉजिटिव है देन डोंट डू, बट इफ़ यू रियली फील कि नेगेटिव ही इम्पैक्ट पड़ने वाला है इसका, then please go and send a mail. EIA is not a law, it is just a draft and 11th अगस्त तक का ही टाइम आपके पास है. उसके बाद आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज इसमें पब्लिक प्रोटेस्ट का जो एक्ट है वो भी निकाल दिया गया है. सो प्लीज़ इस चीज़ को थोड़ा कंसिडर करो और दिमाग लगाओ. सो गाइज, आई विल गिव द email address in my description box. If you want the draft of the email, I'll add that in the description box. And please share your point of view that whether you feel that EIA draft is helpful for the people or it is just a play. I feel कि ये जो चीज़ आ रहा है ये आर्य कॉलोनी में जो प्रोटेस्ट लोगों ने दिखाया उसके अगेंस्ट है. बेसिकली लोगों के हाथ से जो उनके हाथ में पावर है वो भी छीना जा रहा है एंड नाउ यू आर नो वन टू स्पीक अबाउट एनीथिंग अगर ये ड्राफ्ट आ गया तो. सो गाइज, प्लीज़ डू वॉट एवर यू कैन बिफोर 11th August and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.